May proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you, Sir Presiding Officer, Senate President. Madam Witness, binanggit niyo po yung unusual, no? And gusto kong susugan yung katanungan. Yung usual, below 500,000 pag individual. Pero kung ito'y government agency, paano niyo masasabi na ito'y unusual?
Any depositor naman po, kung hindi naman po ganong frequent silang nag-withdraw ng ganong kalaking cash. Kaya po, naano ko siyang unusual.
Kung ganito po, na 4 na beses na nag-withdraw na 125 million, would you say usual na siya?
Unusual nga po.
No,
Kasi,
kung 4 na sunod-sunod na yung binanggit po ninyo, 125 million, sunod-sunod, nagiging usual na po ba siya o unusual pa rin?
pwede naman po. Na
What is
usual.
it?
Kung sunod-sunod naman po, magiging ano na po siya. Talagang usual transaction na po yun.
So, kung ganun nga po, na 4 na sunod-sunod, usual transaction na siya.
Opo.
Madam Witness, as I understand, no, yung process, the BM would provide the funding, notice of cash allocation, and then the agency authorizes the disbursement. At kayo, for example, sa inyong bangko, sa Land Bank, bine-verify nyo lang at you pay the corresponding instruments. Is that correct?
Opo. Bine-verify po yung pag-issue ng cheque po, yung mga signatories, payees, like that po.
So bago po inilabas ang salapi o yung pera, ano-ano pong dokumento yung aktual na natatanggap po ninyo at inyong masusing sinusuri? Kasi sabi nyo nga ho, I'm sure from the first withdrawal, as you made mention, it's unusual. So ano yung mga talagang sinusuri po ninyo na dokumento bago nyo i-release ito?
Supported naman po ito ng advice. So once po nakapasok na po sa system at funded naman po siya, okay na po sa amin yun.
So yun lang po yung inyong chinecheck.
Opo.
And that's it, you release it right away.
Yes, sir.
And binanggit niyo ho kanina, hindi ito suspicious.
Para sa ano ko po, hindi po siya suspicious.
At lahat po ay legitimate.
Yes, sir.
One last question that I'd like to ask. With this amount of money that will be withdrawn by the payee, ano ho yung mga advance arrangements? Kasi hindi, sabi nyo nga ho, hindi usual, yung biglaan, no? 125 million. Ano yung mga advance arrangements na inihingi po ninyo o tinatawag po sa inyo bago mailabas po itong salapi na ito? How far in advance was Land Bank informed that these amounts of physical cash would be required for each transaction?
Mga a day or two po, ni-inform po kami from the cash division po ng OVP na meron po silang ganong cash requirement. So sa amin naman po, pinoprocess naman po namin yung requirements nila bago po namin sila advise na available na po yung cash.
So in
sa
24
bank.
hours, kaya na po.
Pwede naman po.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Thank you rin po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Villanueva. The distinguished Senate President is recognized. You have 2 minutes for your interjection, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer. Good morning, Ms. Constantino. Sundan ko lang po yung natanong kanina ni Senator Risa. So in your 32 years in Land Bank, hindi pa po kayo nakakita ng withdrawal na ganito kalaking amount? 125 million. Tama
Opo.
po ba?
Yes po.
Ano yung pinakamalaking nakita nyo ng withdrawal in cash?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall.
More or less
Magkano.
lang. Mabigyan nyo kami.
In cash?
In cash.
Siguro
Yung
po
pinakamalaking nakita nyo na o na-experience nyo na in your
mga
32?
500,000 po.
500,000. And next, ito na, 125 million.
Yes, sir.
Ang Shaw Boulevard, maraming negosyo dyan. No? So I assume maraming mga private companies dyan. May nakita na ba kayong cash withdrawal from a private company na ganito kalaki in the hundreds of millions?
Mostly po mga cheque po yung ini-issue nila.
Cheque? Meron
Opo.
bang mga cash withdrawal din? Yung mga private companies?
Wala po.
Wala, puro
Checks.
cheque lang ang ini-issue nila.
Opo.
And then, nabanggit nyo kanina na 4 na beses pumunta sila Miss Acosta at si Mr.
Ortonio.
Ortonio sa inyo.
Opo.
Tama po ba? 4 na beses?
Yes, sir.
Nung nagwi-withdraw sila, meron ba kayong any casual talk kung saan gagamitin itong mga perang ito? Kasi sabi nyo nga kanina, unusual, ngayon lang kayo nakakita. Hindi ba nagkaroon kayo ng konting parang casual talk sa pangatlo o pang-apat na pagkita ninyo kung saan gagamitin tong perang to?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall, Your Honor.
I'm sure nag-uusap kayo, di ba?
Yeah, brief talk.
Brief talk, mayroon bang nasabi kung saan gagamitin itong perang ito?
Hindi ko na nga po maalala. Sorry
Ay,
po.
Hindi nyo na maalala. Okay. And then, kanina nasa tanong rin ni Senator Bam, typically, rini-report to sa AMLAC no? Yung mga ganitong kalaking amount. Na-report nyo na ba? Na-report nyo ito? Hindi yung detalye. Ang tanong lang naman kung na-report yung ganitong kalaking cash withdrawal sa AMLAC.
Ang alam ko po, ang Land Bank naman po ay compliant po sila sa when it comes to reporting po.
So, nare-report siya.
Compliant po kami doon.
Alright. Thank you, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Senator Judge Pangilinan is recognized. You may proceed, sir. You have 2 minutes when you're ready.
Thank you. Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga po.
Unang-una, si Gina Acosta, kilala ninyong bilang Special Disbursing Officer, tama?
As payee po ng cheque.
Hindi bilang Special Disbursing Officer.
Hindi po.
Kung siya ang payee, hindi, at sinabi nyo, iba ang tumatawag sa inyo na 2 days in advance.
Iba po.
Di ba? Sino yung sinabi nyo yung tumatawag?
Si Miss Queenie Masangkay po.
Miss Masangkay.
Opo.
Bakit iba? Would you know, if you know, bakit iba yung payee, iba yung tumatawag?
Wala po kang idea kasi it's under the agency po kung sino pong gusto nilang gawing payee po.
Pero bakit si Masangkay ay kilala mo? Nagpakilala siya? Did you meet each other?
Na-meet ko po siya kasi po bago po sila mag-open ng account po sa amin, so nag-visit po sila sa branch.
Okay, so you knew her personally and therefore siya ang tumatawag. Pero ang payee ay si
Miss
Gina Acosta. In other accounts, would you know or would you have experience na ganun din? Iba yung payee, iba yung tumatawag? I suppose yes, no?
Wala po akong idea.
Okay, okay. Doon sa nabanggit niyong first time ang ganyang kalaking halaga, kaya sabi niyo unusual. Meron pa bang ibang ahensya? Tama bang sabihin, walang ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan ang naglalabas ng ganyang kalaking pera sa inyong accounts, sa inyong branch? Dahil kayo ay depositary ng government bank, hindi ba?
Wala na po akong ma-recall kasi nga po, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, lahat po ay na-convert na po sila sa mga online transactions.
And most government agencies would use checks
Checks or online transactions po.
or online transactions. Okay. So, and sinabi nyo, ang average na cash transactions sa inyong withdrawals, apart from yung 125 million na cash, yung average is about 500,000. Tama? Yung average amount ng cash.
Pwede po or lower than that. Kung cash po.
Yes,
Opo.
yes. So, malaki yung agwat, no?
Opo.
And that's why you say it's unusual.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have no other questions, Mr. President, Presiding Officer. Just to manifest that earlier, the witness said that she's bound by the confidentiality rule under the AMLA law. But we take exception to that, but I understand that we will be tackling this matter in another article. We will not concede that you cannot disclose this information, this being the impeachment court. But it being, dahil ito'y itatakal sa ibang articles of incorporation, we will not pursue it at this time. I mean, the articles of impeachment, rather. Is it Article 2? Then we will not insist and we will not push the issue at this time. For the record, Mr. Presiding Officer.
Noted, but Chair would also like to place on the record that while indeed the court issued a subpoena vis-a-vis the AMLC, the provision of the law on the confidentiality with respect to bank officers are indeed provided for in the AMLC. That bank officers are those authorized to report both suspicious transactions and those exceeding 500,000 are not allowed to disclose whether or not they report. And thank you, Ms. Constantino, for being very cooperative and at the same time prudent with respect to your answers regarding the AMLC provision. Dahil kayo po yung madedemanda kung sakasakali, hindi naman po kami.